You're watching this video because you want to make a good first impression. Now, it's your first school day, you go to a new school, right? You're going to a party, which, you go on a date or some stuff like that. You want to make a first good impression. You have a new teacher even, bro. I use that, bro. How do you, I kind of implement this technique before even really knowing it was like it really worked. Like, I heard about it, but kind of forgot about it, like just the day later or so. But I started to implement it, even like just subconsciously, actually, kind of. The technique is basically just smile. If the phone is ringing, so, and before you pick up the phone, just make it you just smile, and just gotta think about how damn stupid that is to just smile for almost no reason, and you kind of will automatically start to become more and more kind of happy and smile-ish. You pick up the phone with a bit of a smile, right? You're kind of giggling maybe a bit about how stupid it is, and your conversation will be a lot better, even on the phone, bro. Now, it's best to use this IRL as well. I used it subconsciously, and you know what? At the end of the school year, right? On my reflection, paper, my teacher wrote that I had such a nice smile or something like that. It's like to see, I like it to see your nice smile every day, or something like that. She literally took the time to wrote that on my reflection. That's literally one example of a teacher. Another one, actually. I have another one, actually. There was this Dutch teacher of mine that was teaching me Dutch. Dutch is my first language. So basically English if you're an English speaker, right? So she was teaching me just doing some exercises and kind of saying the rules and stuff, just kind of repeating that, right? And she I just was a lot more kind of social, I guess, for some reason. So I did my hand up every time there was a question and stuff, and every time I went into the classroom to get that lesson and the teacher's thing there, I was just hello, and smiling, really, and smiling, right? Or every time I was already there and my teacher was coming in, I was, are you a bit late? and smiling a bit, right? Something kind of like that, just being a little bit social. And boom, I saw it. Kind of same thing again. It was very fun to have you in the lessons. Bro, such small things really make a difference. Because I don't think she writes that way by every single kid. I don't think so. She might. It might be a coincidence. It might be, bro. But to be honest, think about it. to be honest, and just the way I reflected it back was that I heard from it again in this book, How to Influence and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. One of the principles was just smile, but like a dog, right? And boom. Just implement that right now. Go downstairs, go to your mom and smile, get a bigger smile and say how grateful you are that she cooked for you yesterday. Bye.